Today, I'm taking delivery of my new car in replacement of my first M3 and my first real dream car, my F80 M3. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch that video. I literally just put it on the trailer 2 nights ago. And the new car should literally be rolling up any second now. I got my boy Walter on the lookout for the truck. But if you guys do not know, the F80 M3 was like my first real car. And if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. But I'm so excited to show you guys the new car, dude. It's literally insane. It's not too insane. It's not so much of an upgrade from the F80, but it's a nice, perfect replacement for exactly what I want. But the truck should be coming any minute now. He literally just pulled up. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh damn, I'm excited. Oh balls. Oh balls.
Hello.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Good, you good?
Yes sir. Grayson, nice to meet you.
Yes.
I'm a little nervous right now. What's in there? A Corvette? Porsche GT3 RS, I got the wing out. That's what's in there right now, guys. Oh, I'm all excited. Oh shoot. Ooh. I got pre-privilege. Oh wow, the color is actually insane. Oh wow. The paint match wheels. It looks exactly like my old one. The mud flaps. No carbon splitter. We gotta get rid of that. The 20, oh, that 20's in the rear. The 20's in the rear, right? That looks like 20's. Oh wow. How do we feel about the finish though? I'm not
the wheels?
Yeah, it's not bad, but I mean, I'm not like.
I mean, it would look good on a different color, just not.
Yeah.
But the wheels are sick.
They're sick. It's just not sure how I feel about the HREs though. I think I gotta get rid of them and get some BBSs. Dude, there's so many little niche things I cannot wait to show. This is actually the most mint car I've ever driven. Bro, there is so much stuff in this car that they gave me. Dude, holy shit. Dude, stock engine cover.
Stock intake.
All the stock brakes, I'm assuming. Stock intakes, stock wheels. I mean, dude, this car is, wow. I mean, this is actually insane. Speed cloth, speed cloth. These are the most sought after seats in the F8X because all the leather ones typically like deteriorate. To put it in perspective how new this car is obviously those are supposed to be silver. Like this is just came from factory almost. Wow, looks nice to have a full complete back seat. Damn dude, this car is so beautiful. Obviously I'm gonna get a proper walk around, but dude, it is insane. You like it?
Yeah.
Not impressed. All right, let's do a haul around the garage now with all this stuff. All the wheels and tires over there. There's like 15 tires. And then we got this corner going. Got boxes there. Dude, we literally moved into this place to have garage space, and now we are violently lacking garage space again. The one very off-putting thing about this car, which I think is crazy for how much like little nice pieces there are in this car, is the fact that this lip is plastic. Like I get the reason why getting a plastic lip because they're cheaper obviously and you don't want to break a carbon lip, but like everything else on this car doesn't add up. That's suspicious. But dude, it is a nice primer color. Believe it or not, I love this color. It's individual and it was one of the last nice manual F80s in the market. All right. Seems that the battery's dead and that's okay. Let's see. A little anticlimactic. Wait, let's try to open the valves. I guess they're open. Whoa, I got freaking cameras on here. I didn't know they had cameras on this, bro. I got heads-up display. Oh, no way. I don't even like heads-up display. But that's tough, dude. This might be the most spec'd manual F80. Well, or yeah, well not actually, but like, you know, a lot of them are DCT, so. It's so much more consistent than the old F80. It just feels so much better. Feels good. It feels insane. How do you feel?
Good.
I like it. I like it. I feel very, very executive in this car. Because I got the executive package. Arvin, is it? God damn it, dude. I literally, oh my God, dude. I was about to film a walk around this guy.
I saw that shit from the road. I was like, this shit's so clean.
No way, bro.
Bro, no fucking shit.
We were gonna come surprise you.
Holy shit. No, bro, I saw that shit from the road. Oh my god.
Yeah, we literally just got it. Dude, it came with all the stock wheels, the stock brakes, every stock piece on the car it came with. Yeah, Ricardo, look at that. Damn. I didn't even know that. Forgot about all that stuff.
Oh my god, you got a fully option. Man.
Yeah. Besides no full leather, but like you can't get full leather on the Speedcloth.
How do you like it?
It's insane. It feels so good. It is so butt slow compared to mine.
Oh yeah, no shit. Fuck.
Dude, I didn't know it was gonna be that slow.
Yeah.
You got the P-Match engine cover. Oh yeah, I got the sticker down there too. Yeah, dude, it's insane.
Holy shit. Nah, dude, I was like, no fucking way, man.
Yeah, dude, we literally just got it like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, holy fucking shit. Alright, congratulations.
All right,
Drive
Arvin.
safe.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man.
I will
Peace.
see you at some point.
Yes, sir. Well, we heard that's gonna hail again, so we gotta hide this car under a parking garage. I'm gonna go grab our friends, and a lot of them have not seen the car yet, so it's gonna be really, fun to see their reactions and whatnot. And Walter has yet to see the car too. But yeah, I'll see you there. Who my pretty girlfriend is.
Stop.
But yeah, oh.
It's just a bus.
Yeah, dude, the Alcantara wheel. Gotta go get gas. Gotta get some gas. Bro, look how beautiful it is though. It's the first time in like what? Like, seems like 3 weeks. Not a week to be this beautiful. Yeah. First time filling up gas in this car. And I'm filling it up with, I think, literally the worst gas around here. QT. It takes diesel? Oh, never mind. I thought this car took 93. My last one took 93, but I guess I have the M3D. Yeah, just put it in there. All right. All right, just fling the gas on me, why don't you? This is the first time this car has been out in the sun. And oh wow. Holy shit, dude. We're pulling up to the grub spot right now. And Shree has yet to see the car. Well, like 3 of the people here have yet to see the car. And I just know Shree's gonna be geeking out like a little girl because this car is obviously better than his clapped rear-wheel drive G80, so. Listen to my little catted downpipe burbles. Well, obviously there's no downpipe. I'm gonna order that though to make it a lot louder. They sound like a little baby. My old one didn't burble at all. No matter how hard I tried to make it burble, it would not burble. Flashing tunes, putting a little bit of E in it, no burbles ever. Is it tough?
Dude, why do you lie?
I think my car kind of mogs yours. I think my great mobile. Yo, look at your headlight.
Yo, ignore that.
What?
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh my.
Look at the brakes. Look at the brakes.
Coilovers or springs?
It's on in performance coilovers, or it's like
that's
that.
why it writes, it's a little bit high.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, this car.
Yeah.
Oh, the color. Oh my god. Did you see this?
Ethan's already seen it. Unfortunately, he caught me when I didn't have my camera.
This is so sick. This is so sick. Look, dude. 5,000 miles?
Yeah, 55.
You're gonna have to swap this.
Yeah, I know. I've already talked about that. The charge coil is typically like
Crank up.
blow up.
Crank up?
No crank up. I don't think. I need to ask him.
Wow, dude.
Yeah, it's okay.
Max Prestige F80, no crank up, dude.
Well, it's clearly been babied, so I don't think a crank up was ever an issue to them. Look, do a reaction. Do a thumbnail reaction.
Huh?
Thumbnail reaction right now. Once I do it again. This is literally the average leaving a parking garage with BMWs. Straight, your car's ugly as fuck.
That's not nice. Not nice at all. Are you still recording?
Hello, Zeke.
Hello.
You see the new car? So you see the new car?
No. That's the G4 style.
I bought another car.
I like that. That thing's sick.
Yeah, I got it like 3 days ago. Look at the brakes, look at the brakes. Oh yeah, look at the interior.
Mario and Luigi not know?
No, they don't. Look at the interior. I got Alcantara wheel. Speed cloths, speed cloths. Mm-hmm. This is an actual ick right now, bro. Now I understand what girls mean by icks. Right, bro, you gotta stop that shit, bro. You gotta stop that, bro. You gotta stop that. What are you doing, bro? Stop. I'm actually embarrassed. I'm actually embarrassed. Stop. Shit. Wait, it looks crazy. My boy just got a new truck. Okay, that thing is actually insane. Why is he gonna launch it? He saw the camera. Dude, that's actually insane, dude. Holy shit. What, the bed open? Why has he got the bed open? I got another F80.
No way, dude.
Bro, this thing is so dope.
I've seen this one, dude.
Yeah. I sent it to you.
From where?
Connecticut.
Damn.
I got everything.
Even the stock, do you see the floor mats?
Yeah, dude.
Everything. The shift boot, like the wheels, the brakes,
All like the
door handles,
Dude, look at the door handles.
Are the door handles?
the steering wheel.
the intakes. Obviously, I gotta get a nice walk around on everything that's done to the car and what the car even is. Introducing my 2018 BMW M3 F80. Yeah, I bought another F80. I got rid of my old one and bought this one. Basically the same color with 1/10 of the miles. This car has 5,700 miles, which is quite literally nothing on this car. This car's probably been out on the ground for like 8+ years, and it's literally only driven 5,000 miles, so I'm kind of geeked out. But I'll do a nice little walk around. Starting with the color is Grigio Testa or something like that. I don't know, it's like a Ferrari or Lambo color. And basically it's just the equivalent to primer. Like just literally primer. Like if you guys know what primer looks like, it's literally just like basically nothing. But it's beautiful, kind of. I love it. As you can see, we got HREP 101s. That was lovely. As you can see, well, I get interrupted, we have HREP 101s. It's basically like the most popular HRE wheel. It's like gunmetal gray to match the color of the car. I'm not the world's biggest fan of them. I would prefer them like silver or chrome. I'm sure a lot of you black wheel lovers are gonna absolutely slobber over those for some odd reason. But they're nice for now. And I think we have Brembo GTKs, which is like, I don't know, just big brakes. I'm not sure the specs of them necessarily, as you clearly see they're slotted. I have zero idea of the specs of them, but they are a hefty price. Coming to the rear, we got the, I think that's OEM diffuser. I have zero clue. We got the Acroprofic exhaust. It's like an OEM kind of plus feel to the car. Definitely not the world's biggest fan, but it sounds not bad. Here's some sound clips. Thank you. And then here's why I honestly bought the car. As you can see, it's comp cloth seats with a manual transmission. Manual, 6-speed manual, by the way. And the reason why I like these seats so much is because they literally don't deteriorate. All the other seats in the F8X typically deteriorate with literally only like 5,000 miles, and they get grimy and nasty. So the speed cloths are like the most sought the most desired seats that you can get in an F80. So I'm very happy with these, and I'm sure a lot of you want them obviously because they're nice and speed cloth, and you know, you guys are probably jealous about those, so yeah. But if you come over to the cockpit, as you can see, you got the Alcantara wheel, which is actually OEM, comes from factory. I'm not sure about the carbon, literally have no idea. Yellow M2 M1, carbon shift boot, or carbon e-brake, Alcantara armrest, Alcantara shift boot, literally an Alcantara handbar thingy-badoober. And here's my favorite part about this. You got the executive package, bro. Look at this, bro. I don't know why you would need this in a freaking sports car, but I mean that's badass. That's badass. For the parts that not many care about, honestly, and it's not that insane. Under the engine, we got literally just Dyna intakes, and I think that's it. Dyna intakes, and that might be it. Obviously, the engine cover is painted, but that's honestly it for the car. It's just a very OEM plus car, not really modded. And to put on top of it all, the car is full PPF, meaning, you know, any little rock chip comes to hit the car, it's not going to damage the paint. whatsoever. If you see that line, it's basically like a plastic film over it. The reason why I bought this car is because it was just so good. It was tastefully modified and it was basically stock-ish. And obviously I can do a lot with this car if I really want to. And it's just overall a really, really nice car. But nonetheless, I'm very grateful for this car and we got some content rolling in for this car. By no means is this a YouTube color or anything of that sort, but I think it's just perfect and I think it's a great replacement for my first F80 M3. So with that being said, I think this is my nice replacement first dream car. Thank you for staying to the end. That's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.